Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two SEO tools platform, which is RankMath and Yoast. So to get started, RankMath and Yoast are still the two biggest names in WordPress SEO, but RankMath has a surge ahead in 2025. It features rich free version and model tools. RankMath gives you advanced schema makeup, multiple keywords optimization, AI assisted content suggestions, and instant indexing without extra plugins. Its interface feels lighter and more streamlined, and the built-in analytics dashboard lets you track ranking and search performance inside WordPress. For users who want the most feature without paying premium price, RankMath is incredibly hard to beat. Yoast meanwhile remains the popular for its solid reputation, beginner-friendly content analysis, massive knowledge base. Its paid version unlock internal linking suggestion, multiple keyword focus, and a powerful schema editor. But many of these comes free in RankMath. Yoast also feels a bit heavier on site resources compared to RankMath, and here's a very conclusion. So while Yoast is still a safe and a dependable choice, RankMath is the best SEO plugin in 2025 if you want a maximum feature, speed, and value. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.